Hello students, in this class of ours we are further going to see by using Euclid division lemma how the positive integers can be expressed in different ways. So the question will be like this: using Euclid division lemma, show that cube this time is. Please, this you must take care of. Cube of a positive integer can be of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. This time it is not a positive number that is expressed in this form. This time it is said that cube of a positive number is of this form 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. The moment you look here 9m, 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 you see 9 has to be taken out common from the given number, and that is from the cube of a number. If I take 1 and I make cube, it is 1. 9 cannot be taken out as common. If I take 2, the cube is 8. Again 9 is not common, or 9 cannot be taken out common as from 8. But if I take 3 and I make cube of that, that becomes 27, and 9 can be taken out as common from 27. So the smallest such number, for the why I am telling smallest, because if you take 9 and you take cube of the 9, definitely 9 can be taken out as common, but then you will be handling large data. Why should we? The smallest such number from the cube of which 9 can be taken out common is 3. So let us take here divisor as 3. So I will tell, let us suppose we have a number x or a, you can call it anything. Let us a is a positive integer which is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Now see, we have seen it. If divisor is 3, as per Euclid division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r, where r is less than b but can be equal to or greater than 0. Here there is a binding that remainder cannot be greater than this. So when b is 3, all possible remainders are either 0, 1 or 2. So this a positive number, if you take 3 as divisor, can be written only in this way: 3q, 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Beyond this we cannot go because our remainder does not permit. So the number has to be like this. It is either 3q, a will be either 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Now if I take cube of a, because we were suggesting take cube, so if the number is 3q, we will, a is 3q. Let me say when a is 3q, then a cube is cube of this 27q cube. This is 9 into 3q cube, and I can write 9m, 9m, where m is 3q cube. Now second case, if I take and I say when a is 3q plus 1, then a cube will be 3q plus 1 and cube of that. So if you take solve it, 27q cube plus 3 into 3q into 1 into 3q plus 1 and plus cube of 1. So this becomes 27q cube plus 9q into 3q plus 1 and plus 1. Now from this 9 can be taken out as common. If I take out common 9, this will become 3q cube plus 9 is taken as common, q into 3q plus 1 bracket close and plus 1. Now this can be written as 9m plus 1, where m is this. The whole quantity is represented by m. This is m. Now yet another case, if we take that a could also be 3q plus 2. If a is 3q plus 2, then what to do? We will write 2 here and we will now work it out. 27q cube plus 3ab, 3q into 2 into a plus b, 3q plus 2 and plus cube of 2, that is 8. See, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cube. This is known to us. So now you can see 9 can be taken out from common from these two. If I take out 9 as common, this is 3q cube plus 2q into 3q plus 2 bracket close and plus 8. Now this can definitely be written as 9m plus 8, where m is this whole quantity. So we have seen it. A positive integer can be chosen in such a way that cube of that can be written in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8.